You did it. You saved $100. You feel safe, right? You've locked your hard-earned cash away in a high-security vault, but there's a back door you didn't lock. Meet inflation. He's a sneaky thief. He doesn't steal your money all at once. Instead, he slowly nibbles away at what that money can actually buy. Look at your $100. Today, it buys a feast. In 10 years, it's a light snack. In 30 years, it might just buy the napkins. Your $100 is still there, but its power has vanished. If inflation is 3%, your money loses half its buying muscle in about 24 years. Staying in cash isn't safe. It's a guaranteed slow-motion robbery. How do you fight a thief you can't see? You move your wealth into assets that grow faster than he can eat. Stocks, real estate, and diversified investments are your shields. Don't just save, invest. Make your money move faster than the thief, and you'll keep what you've earned for the long haul.